Alright, some string bean beef. Got this bottom round from Walmart. It's already sliced real thin. $6.02. Alright, this is pretty cool to get because you can just slice it up the way you want it. Now you can cut this any sizes you want, but I'm showing you like the grain, so I'm going across that grain. Pull it apart, and I just do like little slices. You can do it little cubes, whatever you want to, but this is what I feel like doing today. Smaller you cut it quicker, it's going to cook for sure. Now you can do this the day before or right before you cook it. Depends on what you got going on. I think longer it sits in the refrigerator, like overnight marinated, probably better it's going to be. But I just did this like in like 30 minutes beforehand. All right. So after I have it all cut up, put it all in a bowl. Yes, I'm using my hands. So I pull little pieces apart so the marinade can just get all on every little piece. So I have a little salt and pepper. Yep, see pepper right there. Hit it with some salt. Maybe like a half of a teaspoon. Little crushed red pepper. Get on in there. Little sesame seed oil. Maybe like a half of a tablespoon. Little soy sauce. Just a couple little splashes. You already got salt in it. You just don't want to kill it because you want to add a little soy sauce while you're cooking it as well. Just mix it up. Hands are always the best thing for this. Wash them. Yeah, if you do this overnight, it comes out a little bit better. Make sure you get every little piece coated. That's enough. All right, got some mushrooms. Just slice them up. You can slice them or cube them. I like them cubed, but my wife likes them sliced, so we get them sliced. Couple buttons, couple portobellos, all cut up now. Do like a half an onion, just in slices, so it'll cook faster. I always cut this fast in real life. Got some garlic cloves, crush them down, and then I just smash them again after I take the skins off and just slice them. Okay, that might be a little bit too fast. Next editing will not be this quick. I apologize. Hopefully you're not having some kind of like seizure or something. Okay, string beans. Just cut off you can cut them off or break off the ends that has like the where they got picked from, because no one wants to chew on that. I say like per person like a handful and a half of string bean. Now I blanch mine. A little boiling water, a little salt in the water. Now I'm going to boil these until like you can bite through one, like the way you would want to eat it. So if you like yours firm, don't boil them that long. If you like them mushy, boil them in more. Alrighty. So this is kind of messed up in videotaping this. So I get the pan hot as I possibly can. Little vegetable oil, little sesame seed oil in the pan. As soon as the pan gets hot enough, I just throw my beef in there. Just throw it in there. I'm not cooking it all the way because then you're going to add it back. You're going to cook it and then you're going to take it out of the pan and you're going to add it back here in a second after you do the vegetables. It does make some fat, and I just drain the fat off, then set it to the side after it's cooked. Eat a couple little pieces. Set that to the side. Bring the pan back to the burner. Get it hot. A little bit more oil. A little more sesame seed oil as well. Throw in my onions. I like my onions a little bit more done. You don't eat too many of these. You know, they do have a little bit of sugar in them. Throw in my mushrooms. Get those cooking a little bit before I add in my garlic. A little salt and pepper. A little toss. Didn't have enough oil, so I add a little extra oil to it. Throw in my garlic. Always want to add that last. Unless you like really done tasting garlic. Alright, throw my beans back in. Toss those around. This is like a super easy meal. Like 30 minutes, you can have dinner, right? I think this whole meal for 2 people is around $10. Throw my beef back in. Throw a little Ciroc up in that bad boy. I just do an X. That's how I know my temperature. Little oyster sauce. This does have a little bit of sweetness to it. A little bit of carbs, but you're only doing a little tiny bit. And it doesn't taste like oyster. It has a little, like a earthy sweetness to it. I'm sure it has some oyster somewhere in it, but if you like soy, you'll like oyster sauce. Top a little bit of soy on top of it, and we're about done. That's how quick this is. So $10 for 2 people to eat, healthy. It's all good. A little black sesame seeds on top. That's what I had, and that's it. Thanks for watching, and give it a like, give it a thumbs up. Try this recipe out. You'll like it. Peace out.